Mani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Ase amatukaega na boigo nonye na ase ebirengo bibye chi skuru au kose chi university. Karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Wakire
bia.
Oresho ankwara ara kose chitiagasi onyote butuko bwaki.
Chitiagasi chiri nywete. Lakini na Nairobi.
Na beta kire.
Na beta.
Elitaria na boigo kiro kende ya ningio okora.
Asamba leta ngoro kwa Alex Onyonga. Ngoro ase constituency ya Kitutu Chache North. Ase ward koro Marani. Asa koro Kisieka. Njeno mwanafunzi. At the same time I'm a youth leader. Ase nsemo ya Kitutu Chache North. We have various platforms. Chiko represent Amosai. Buna bono ntubuate kiombekia ekoro kunga Kitutu Chache North Students Association na ende ntubuate youth platform which mainly ekorigeria mangana mentorship amangana training, soft training in seminars amangana project empowerment of which I'm serving as the leader. So I work in the ngokora internet ase kiombekia youth platforms which is mainly focusing on mentorship ya abasaya. Yeah.
Mbia wana sana na inde karibu na igoro watebanga nkwanyo tichitiagasi kwa rupika neteli tukure igoro.
Yesterday nonare ngega Bosongo. Nenje go protest. Na tebe ku exercise my constitutional right. Ase nyenjo ese katiba kiro mwananchi na wate right yo kuandamana. Kurobeka negere ko utume message. Gento yokorekane. Nari ngega Bosongo sinchamambia. Tukarobeka na buya.
Yes.
From the first that thing was very peaceful. Notwari ngeba kono MOCS. Tukakuwa nere informed us to be very peaceful. Tukarobeka na capital Chirogoroiga until for some time kere yabe toba kitana tukaratama.
Ningi muguti mwatamire kiagere kero when you know you are doing the right thing to want to go kwegosa.
Actually the main purpose yo ya maandamano is to send a message.
Yes.
No tuma maybe you want something to be done right lakini ngera korekana. So to send a message na kiere say constitution inga you have a right to kuandamana. Amandamano awento kwa peaceful, organized and also objective. Asamba na amandamano igoro kero twacha gete chingaki chamambia amandamano arenge very peaceful. Na ende ntuna basa that is what we advocate for. Kere ntoge peaceful onta wasati gento kiamonto everything to be well. Lakini wana ikachinsa iga I don't know if it is good so say abantu bakandichi bese and then I saw people coming wasali ibintu byabantu buna epare ya daraja moja kuri kwenda kwa stage abantu mbalutombagana sana people were
lakini hata kango boli hapo saa mwasokire kwa bukire koro nyomba seno mambe watawanga wekangende oire maybe your grievances which as whoever anmone serikali
sure.
Lakini ebintu tokora byakorekana tubuna boneta ho ni ukusinyunga ili ukirigaria ichorete nenchire yamo yokwebereria serikali botegerere na bwo na rojo bakemetege koya chi duka chi gotaguru timitinga eyo nenchire yamo serikali kuigukero kene ekero mokwe totebe chi placards emba korora mwimo kya masakaraliga matera ali muganetie abarai banyare kuigwa mba kuigwa timitinga witira su gusamba Usambe binto.
Tiangwa nenga. Usambe binto usali kintu kyo muntu is not a way yoko kore serikali toiwe. na ende ntuna wasa that is not what we champion for. Eya bere ngakielinga sometimes nento basaya sinara tole tuwa moja. Yani ntonge toto ku understand. Many of us abange beto bametenga amanda mana wakoreka weka chitiaga siritwe. Na hiyo naro jomo muntu abatebanga murushe tiagas ndio tuone kama tumeenda maandamano. We don't know we can do a peaceful demonstration yani ntore ikirabu yani tumeta maandamano wika tosali gento kyo muntu egere maandamano amakorukunga twakorera maandamano which is wrong and which is not a good show. Because that is not a one way of maybe kuandamana. Kwemu black card sirichi kwende Manila papers it is supposed to be that way. Kutara igata nyingi maybe protesting in a way that which is peaceful. Anara maandamano ne and that's what we advocate for. Iko bono bali bare kwembokia amagena kuruta abantu nenjeri genandia dia mochetiga dika eta akeli na njeri linyora lakini nange totama ngayenda koratu mwakake. I was not impressed with what happened. Since chawachi maragoba lakini ndeko mugaso korumambe baka mugaso iga the protest was very peaceful. So peaceful. But in some way enindo chenga rules wasn't here. Rules is very crazy. Egere ko destroy maandamano enyo emaye kanenga abasaye very violent. Umete asa maandamano people come with different objectives. Mbarba gocha with that one sole objective yo kuandamana to send a message. Mbarba njara total supermarket yabande bayire ndagira egere to satisfy their anger. And there are those who are coming egere baibegen tokete they go bono which is not good. Katoja maandamano mbona basaye to bantu ko manyanga our main objective is just to send a message, and sending a message tali kulta magana was supposed to get to Kyomondo. It's just doing a peaceful protest, and that one alone nesa ineko send a message.
Mbuya mono whatever nga kirokende guns probably abana bantu konyora batumire. You run a youth forum mubwate ebyombe byabasaye no bwate timu geto ukora kirokende kwa ba engage ase ebinto don't you think abarai buna inu ninu mugotwara ribagali nene ryo ko influence abasa abaiga bare ase each group bacha kwanyoranga basoire ase direction ya rembe no bwate ribagali okora abasa at the same time abantu abaiga bagocha buna guns na abasa bagocha bare byombe igomba bwate ase ba group bako organize ya mangana abo do you think nga as youth leaders nine gose kirokende youth leaders na bago fail abantu apa Kenya tiante abaiga intuma youth leaders of course una batebire ntu bateri bakati nende dio ko rabanta aba yes gutwara influence kuna
kwaro kire influence tianga tebire ntu keto cyane tabuna youth na bato ko influence abantu to a positive way lakini ntu keto cyane tabuna youth let me say abantu baraba obwatikende inchebuno mosae tutabeti mbwatikende and most of us are jobless abangi wetu school tore ntubwatigasi we don't have anything turatebenga this our source of income na nene ntubwata mahitaji yao inchebuno morai korusuko gari tende youth leader inchengo a small token ngotebi go and protest negatively in somewhere don't you think I can't go there? Incorrect and take a very wrong that token. What I mean is that etokogorwa with small tokens. Tote bungenda mosalia mandamano arokaninga avere violent mono. Tokogorwa nechi just small tokens. Like not everanga about the term goons. Now in Janabongo advice na youth leader go advice let us do this and this peacefully. Lakini naro gali sco what zibe sewa take this small token yando sala mandamano alera kanenga abasaye ebachite koro bakana bagasali bintu byabandi. That's what I mean.
Yes ekiro kwerusia sengane totebanga ntu tokogoro metikero keno mancho murigire na bara ko biscuit go sa akonyore nchirenga abuge ngakero kende nayo kwalenge gati abari barenge ofora aiga ase abo babwate ebitoki gose bakwena n'obusio bwigamo amanyere ekero kurigereria mbakonyara wa access youth bonse barase ebinyoro mbabwate abantu abuna bono leaders bari bagutumika bono who are the failures here mpali bakogorwa gose n'abaiga bagutumika buna chi mediator ekiagera to konte buna tutebe for example umurai uri kirogo buna bono ekyo ubujumbe nacho kwikera abasae bonsi barase constituency yae bagende gukora ingana ngeti nabwata abantu gitagutumika bakogenda bachi mobilize ebyombe biga byabasae
sure
yes
bono una batebiro una mujumbe you can't go to the ground chakote abanju karaya
yes
ikutumie your left hand was your right hand egereme kana tete mayaka nganae lakini na abantu bandi bono in the ground of course we have those ones who are doing the work behind the curtains the work behind the curtains mostly youth leaders for example in this case batumekiru of course ndeto kana batumekiru but also in the same way also we live in different places as a member in my constituency Kipchache North tometa wachisema wao
yes
anyone can access you you can go and access someone Nigeria can go and access someone at my own time private time when jemnande ga teammate was monto ande ochiro access someone omotebi kenekeiga and I have what I'm trying to say is that people can access people in a different way.
Yes.
Not maybe
utamanyeti
emitandao nero ebintu bingenero ngotebi inchuga tokwane inchuga terike tokwane in the process na ngotebi kenda kare yali yumusaniyo kare kisiri in the top secret ikobono ndo macha youth leaders to some extent so sometimes the blame is to someone else yeah
mbuya kigima utia timeti bononga ekero ayo gotemo gukwana n'abasae bawo umetekero kinna bokonyoranga even those you lead bali odenete abangi babo mbari gati abari bagocha bakora okorobekana basoache bioski bya abantu basoache supermarket barose ebintu timetinga kero kinengote muri gusangana baro bwigoro yengane ga ya peaceful protests
kero tore meeting cheto ana amanto kwanira mostly na kintu bona basae tora be positive change as a community as a amangana ukorobekana tokorobekana kwa very peaceful kero tore meeting cheto actually that is what we talk about na youth tora be na basae tora be ekwerende role models to others asenga nchana bare mega yaito baturige tintu buna basaye ngitokora iko that is what we talk about to akwana igora kwemba ourselves and also to show goodness the community and the society at large yeah
ekirito kwirana sensemo ya students usaba sai bali bagende to kwenyora masababo be it ama somabo tutebe gwetira various college various institutions bagende te kosoma nabu abange I think abange okonyora various amangana buna ega yogo taka change ekiagramba metevinto ekero ebintu bigendrete ekati yemechando iri kogera bono toratebe omuntu bune student aso para nerere
kuna kwanera the main thing again takenene sana kiragere mwanafunzi maybe was a student aso para kurubikana na nditari kubikana kwa kore peace wese kore njirendega kurubikana ukobe tiangoro kokobe for lack of a better term the main thing no konyora tokens muna ta basa etu wata mahitaji amange otete resume nene otete onyore yangengi something like that karoka nyoro monto kote bikoreke nkoeke I give a small token what do you think nkoye ndankoreke because at the end of the day my tenga I will be given what something rank konye so the main thing na tebe obotako bara sabasai sana poverty is among us in a very high rate when you go to counter that one Kato small tokens, talk about excited. Talk about to end Asset Street. And number two, peaceful demonstration. Abasai, mostly these protests, it is being led by youths. ikora unawasai. Why? Number one, to advocate against the extrajudicial killings. Unabona muisonde igangwarora umusayo yali batojwang. Aitoka
For advocate wase oko gikeria.
Sorry. Kogikeria. Yes. Sorry for that. Kogikeria extrajudicial killings. Abasaya bange baiture bantu bako tuchindoche bantu bako tuchi forest me different places. Igoje nteko karanga twenda para noko kwenda go demonstrating ntutake tieke. It is too much. This is becoming too much for us to handle. Yes. So those are the two reasons main ones. Tio karanga twenda para go protest.
But say na the students I think pressure ilinga kirokende taraso kaisika manyembe obunere turi guchiaba too much and like abantu tote bakolire school batabwati mirimo. Timitinga pressure students I think influence nerongo tokiraro. Tokire tinga pia influence nerongo bere.
Yeah, pia influence ngo bero.
Ikiagrante ibuno mwana ore secondary ninki ago chiracha ko protest iga kirokende. Igasi ya mubolire ikiagra tarakora no school.
Yeah, pia influence nero ase mandamana. Keroro cho minale ga yako ko tamagena. Na iwetenga no kang na no ro teligena.
No sibetiagas.
Osibet oso test ne getiagas ere. Okay, wichitiagas ko wichitiagas ngo ko tawri to kere mon detengende ne getiagas go test. Something like that. Peer influence is also one way of one factor which makes youths to come to streets to protest. Yeah.
Na ekiro tukutigana neyo kwa rigere nande abasaba ga kwanyaranga egati yebintu mbiraro bagenderete ogokora nobono asia mangana babeire adventurous sana samangana ya technology.
Sure.
Timetinga technology ninkiranyara kukwanda asia technology na boiga abasai oburai.
Technology to get it's one thing which has come very beneficial. In fact, technology as you care about ya very much advanced. Buna basai tore more subjected. Na kibeka seko sila tore more subjected such technology. Technology first of all eya chire by the way jengo tabanga technology azire takoni buna basai. Oiso ko tare skoga konyorumo sai no are ne laptop ya was in ya doing something which at the end of the day it come benefit in one way or the other. Technology aretire chigasi yawa omuntu akonyara gukora online at the end of the day onyara something yako keep up with. Like now for example about online jobs. Online jobs echo omuntu aranyara omusaya nyana gukora egere anyore kende. Secondly, technology achire tokonye bana basai also asamangana masomo.
Yes.
Amasomo squeeze yako ba offered online. Ayanda free, ayanda paid. Wani gana umuntu osoma koru nyomba. Ale nyomba rakinya osoma through something called technology. We say you can give a certain course. Or correct course gete very free. At the end of the day you are awarded what? A certificate. Ikobono ama obujja bwa technology oro bonge sana mostira somo sai because most of the time you going to benefit into maete how to operate even these gadgets into maete routes to all to encounter this technology. So technology watu buyo bonge sana otokonya buna youths
na ekiro tukwanira technology mitandao bono chisemi chako boko na kichire anyare gukonya chinga kibune chige currency ya Kenya okoranga oburai bwa chakiro utirimuka uchiroche na kichire anyare gukonya akogorora amabe yagenderete esi biya konyira mono sana asiko gorora. For example gwarora liria omo mkwano weriare agiturusa sa Nairobi na basikali. What do you think ingi ya karete bakamayekana ngabanta bano ba mwagite risasi bono iga anything bad which happens in the country kende yose kebe kwa kana se country abaga kanyaralia asesi mimi anything bad ani kende yose kyara kaninga nekebe akanyara asesi mimi ani
publicity through a mobile phone. Yani bono monta ko ba okare ke bese njama ete it will reach everybody. Yani this is a mobile phone which is portable. Ota nera ndos nor nera yoka. Iko bono. Abarai maybe obosalia wakere through mobile phones because o might think ko okare kekebe everyone will know.
I feel like nande ense moyende kiro kinde technology nande ya mentira mabe ikiagira look at that case tote bune yega ya tote be police okorire gentekebe kwanyoranga ebicherie kirego soka isiko gali tote bengengane isiko genda se bigambiro o kana tote be labda bali balenge kirori na bera isiko sa ko ba solved ase obwago na nte chikore to bobe bonde but bono umunyanyi mbororekanire kagwita omo Kenya guseraia obegite ebija yakwa sesimi gose video yabwatu yabekwa online eyo yarouse emotions ya provoke abakenya kwanyoranga bachakire gutwara ekeriria ndakeringa tukumira n'abanyanyi mbabaiga bakatusoke tugende turubikane kiagira bakorire iga bono kwanyoranga yaretire nandi ubobe bondo obonge.
I don't agree with you.
Yes.
I don't agree with you. First of all, why should a police officer work on police?
Byakorekanire bine bintu byakorekanire.
Mingi akorera.
Ebine bintu byakorekanire.
Byakorekanire and we must know why. In fact, tiangate esimi nakitochera ese katoka na maandamano ndoko nesimi ebendera nesirimbi. The work of the phone no record. In fact, anyantali sime kanga ebinte bingi yakorekanire ebibitanyare the reason as to why to record ebintu mbere byokorekana byabisekana.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, justice is not served. In fact, no nyege agent kaya kore kanitega Nairobi mungwana wako research. I'm very sure nyantari simi yare record kango ntoma iti wasenge kaya kore kanita. And at the end of the day, justice could have never been served. Something like that. Ikobono. I don't agree with you totally. Ase obosalia.
Ase amangana technology. Omete baketware coin baketware chisaidi chonsi vere. Tote benga esime yako nyire gutanga mabe. At the same time, it's the same phone egotumeka kwanyoranga post yemo yaretire reactions chinyinge kurwa saba Kenya. Yagera abakenya nande bachaka kubanga nabagenda baros chi group gete bachaka whatever. Omurayi wense na akorete igana iga. Gose bicha yarekanete igane bono bachaka ko rise against that person. Eyuyairera kwanyora buna bono basoira sechi street. Wetera sokorobekano anda magimanda nyara gosira. What if tote benga kirokende chibiche chigachigotumeka yachire yatumikire ase sako enke abantu kirokende yachire buna gosea sekigambiro gose buna courts koena na evidence ekine kikigambo esenge njekere koreta ekochi aba public koretere shide nyinge komentere na ndabantu abange basoke bagende gukora pusali zaidi
tiango tebe the reason as to why ekwerende technology yakongera se ekwerende Kenya yaito ense yaito ya Kenya onye ndito ikerega buso goteba ingati a small circle of people kerega yakora kanire buna eri omuntu ageri isasi a small circle of people bamanya and then oshughulikira properly yani twegenanga justice will be done to that person then we will have no problem with that ndo twara shira neyo lakini asiye ikere bono iga tosi nyukwegena onda bwensi.
Yes.
Tosi nyukwegena onda bwensi ngenjo egento at the end of the day akwenda kote case ke dismissed totally because we don't have trust with those people. Akwenda gali nyore small circle of people when they maybe they say this and this at the end of the day they dismiss that case. So many of them. One the reason as to why to come back public is to enforce justice. Ekora kana so montoria onerei. If anyo to ikerase unless to ikerase a small circle of people know what they have amanya and that justice is served fully, then we'll have no problem with that. Lakini ndori ikeraga. At the moment Kenya ndori ikerase as a justice eko served fully with the respect it deserves. At the moment don't trust with anyone.
Yes.
Yeah.
Abasa gutumeke mitandao responsibly. nimaitenga tori ane ICT expert lakini asinseme yiga I think chisime chiga na boy go access to the free wifi timaiti singinja pasa abange no bare online bare connected 24/7 ya biro mochando ikiagere bintu mbire byakorekanire wetera online totebe buna look at the case of Albert Ojwang.
Sure.
Look at the case of that man timete oseno musae abaiga bako kenda baleta AI generated images babeka no ebicha bamukino yo murayo ndabasi bamuruta osene sanduku me babeka ba post bagenda. Do you think eva sae bagenda to risk amagema bona as much as technology ngochere lakini bako yutumeka in the wrong way?
I think igao bono no tokonyora the negative sides of technology we again think about buya I got to buy. I think that is where tokonyora negative sides inje ekosi anengora te good IT igao bono ni I'm so much informed answer some ya ICT
yes
yeah on those related things to do with the IT. Kero una bono recent past ese vinjaringi kati ya Kenya okay Kongusanana
Kenya
na Tanzania kwa roche mo president wa Tanzania Samia Suluhu abasaiba chitu bakatumia AI bakabubeke kwende sanduki and also from the recent past to roche the same thing happening which I say President Ruto au mtakoweke sanduku something my view on that is that I think gabuna ende no technology ya to vekira sabe kubeka umuntu is not right. That is something which is not right to do. I think that is the reason why abasaya banga very abducted also kwenda wetu sikogali ikobona it's not right of course kero magosa abere toko kara ina good like now protesting lakini tari kwenda ko using AI ko beko monte sanuki and also to do something related to that. I think it's not right, it's not a good thing to do, and untuna basaento bwene to resist from that. Yeah, we respect what has come. Technology atara tere vinga lakini we should not go to that extent. Yeah.
Okora IT. Na to nyora nainda pasa baiga.
Education with IT. Yeah.
Yo no bato manyasa mangana technology.
Yeah.
Ekrukuri nainda pasa baiga kwanyaranga the same people na ubakorera mirimo teyo. Yet umuntu nabawo ikaranza atumie AI korosie image y'omuntu abekechinkwa na cy'omuntu akore lip sync na keregento. Lakini kwanyaranga atakonyara gutumika technology yega gusubomba nyobo igabwate gusubwancha kwa gutumika technology gukora gento kira leta income ketari go affect muntu ndebwense.
Yeah, it is possible. It is possible.
Ninge kogera energy itokonyaranga yabasae ingirete gucha sense mo yo gukora ibintu gitebigo attract public reactions.
Yeah, the reason as to why maybe not the reason as to why they are doing the negative side, so they are engaging more the negative sides of technology is emotions. When I the case of marehemu Albert Ojwang, his father Kukwana, that thing rose emotions in the country. Emotions raises anger. Anything maybe it comes in the mind. So emotions sometimes I talk about carried away with the anger. You to the emotions. Talk about carried with the anger. Talk again to get negative to us, and which later which I had to affect as time goes by. So I think in that part, emotions. It's to lead mono to akarama in terms of technology.
Asenge warike to de banga bantu bande mbali gutwara emotions so mbali gutwara ubururu. Ototikarende aba ku suppress ubururu boiga obwa ekegori eke kyabono. are there ways abasai baranyare kurigireria ebintu ebi ngao osebachake kumanya nga okiro omonto na bakogechigwa lakini nonya kwagechigwa ebintu mbiro utabonete gukora.
Yeah, that's why nikitu cha no tobate youth platform prana chaka gukwana youth platform focusing on the mentorship ya youths, training of youths, seminars, ebintu bendebyo abo konyora megerio ao ayo konya basai egobono through seminars conduct seminars like this kusenya basai what they need to do. It can help them understand in emotions are normal and they how to control them. Igobono through seminars that seminars which can happen and also advised accordingly. That one nabera bakonye ko reduce anger and also to understand themselves in can happen and the right way to go. Yeah.
Singe tokogechibu otebenga tigabono wendo ra mu mweshimiwa ora mu governor kwara mu raivensi na ekira tu kwana mentorship amangana mental health miti wasarungu chimurimo ya include nikiagira bono twatebire emotions atebire nga abasaba yokero kendo no boro konyora babwate ko bwatikana nebinte bigendere ta sense.
Sure.
Mental health ya bere shida twarora abandi bagwitana umuntu kagoika kawo tikorigereri gonyora nabo tumuchando bobongo. Yes.
Yeah, we deal with the mental health. Ngo invite abantu bari babwato manyuma no gutobwa asinge chumbare konyora basomere temanga mental health. They have that experience okwanira manganayo ngure tore twa ba invite us session cheto. They talk about mental health buna basai in fact akonyora tubwate shida ya mental health sana. Buna bono
I think as a comrades shida neror.
Yeah, there's much problem in mental health because abangeito we are coming from humble backgrounds. From these humble backgrounds okonyora monto maybe does not have anything I mean onyora omonta is lacking school fees, lacking indagere yokoli as school ugali. Buna bono we have very many examples of people to identify who are affected by these things. They even develop stress, pressure into beneyo, and they are not comfortable in their mental health. So we invite these people because we know it's affecting them and it's true it's affecting them. They talk to them and then at the end of the day they get to understand themselves. Ways of going around it. So I think mental health is one of the major topics to go focus in the recent past because we need it more at this time.
Umete mental health among the youth ekogenda hand in among drugs.
Sure.
I think abange bagosubate banga na to stress tikangende mbeki gento drugs abasaya baino bali kutumika maliogo ikiagira nonya boika bago protest abango isikorigire bali bago chibakore bintu bire weird oseba gukora bintu bire ebikongo bire extraordinary okonyora ebintu bire babegete they are under influence.
Yeah, ngwanjira nae what you are saying. Mono abasaya in this generation yabasaya ere mo engaged na maliogo yo wetindie drugs ikinyasore the likes of alcohol, all those. The major challenge which is facing us is drug abuse. You correct and having to whatever stress and the many other things. Yesterday, my witness also people who are not barring in Omoigo.
Abantu bakoroka n'inzira gete
yani they are doing
babarire omuntu
sure ebintu bene yani bakora ebintu you fail to understand nekera kinga abantu bakora abasana bakakaruga so etore influenced na Mario sana and I think that is one also ways correct na kora obosari kwa basama na mano abantu bebero bintu byabo because what you have used you don't even understand yourself what you're doing. Drug abuse is a major challenge as our side, and I think it can make a major impact on us.
Bado umeteto tevenga drug and substance abuse bado nganapeko korwa toyo kwa nire miaka mengi lakini bado the more matukagendete guskana liapo sai bagendete comment kana bali bakonyo ranga bakori gwatigete urenge ko comment abantu gusa uri kubakani nga abinte bimbiri bya rero bono nero ukuba imuki bagenda ukaraki gutumika mario gaiga timutinga nakinga ne ga kero kendo uracho ko kwanira gusa gusange kerengere kyao ase amatuko bunagendete kugenda
drug abuse of course very key ko increase mysterious youths egen tekere ne kia keire abasaye gutumia malio yo gutindia no kwa idol sana ani muntare gotwa tinda okara just idol bagota bese de songonga an idle mind is the devil's workshop kero muntara idol tuwa tinda okara onya rokarenga rikinde jones you can do anything. The reason as to why was I idol is because aba bange ba college school gasinchiyo ebaye gabutu omuntu maybe abwate visioninga akore keneke akore neke bona kera ko school nyorenga steyo tabutaro chieni means yo konyora nega sieyu kunyara develop no stress yeri kera develop stress onoteva somebody can kunyara korara kunyara ko kora kende oba advised ngabu no pia korende influence egocha oba anya ko tete ko settle down aitumia malio gaya ukurara bubuya andiko abuka buya. You see somebody akoba engaged upon na say drug abuse because of what koba idol tabatikasi and is overthinking. Maybe abate vision keta tete ko kora lakini nyora it's not possible. Yani nande abasa to asiri ngente ko runga patience okore meria ko say okay patience. Yani tutakete bintu ya bwangu oto tenga karwa kore skuru ga konyorega so akore keneke kwa gore gali in fact egali ine tuchanete sana buna basai bona kera kwa kore skuru kunyarenga asiteyo whatever you overthink whatever maybe I've lost everything, I've lost it on the way. So in the process konyorwa say sama amalyawo yogutindi something like that. Yeah.
Enviamono wikirasengane yo tukuragenda omutumuko mokeyo bwitita kaiberiga tumakorana kugendera irinde tonyara gutabukia
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Omuguse igwa amaguri gakirwa moroka ase eduka ya Shah Ceramics igurire deformed bars TMT steel ordinary nails square tubes round furniture tubes black pipes black sheets round bars wire mesh egatibinto winde evinge tubasi namaguri nega ainsekigima asekire yuka ya Shah Ceramics tutarelero ikiwenyorere estokeye itaraera nigo tukutoka sinsamujiri chakana
Stemo Nugabas ninya gitari ekukurwaria asechinchira chikero kurwa chinsi cha Michael nigo bakurwa obubwenia bwabene asekera omurwaire abo asekera bakurwari with a lot of privacy okubwenigwa ayebweka asibitanda byabo bibwate obubwenia bwabene mbari gutomeka ntetere gustarko beto sindane yira kubekere chemical ndiyonse asomobere igwa nigo baku bwenia amarwire buna bono egetekyo mugongo nabo igo kwirania amaugabya abanyagitari babo nigo bobwate obumanyi bwebirengo by'ekinse ekya Michael ekero bakorwa obubwenye bwabo nigo bakora n'obwanchani obonene n'amaguru yabo nigo ari ayanse mono kigima bagotoka ase nyumba ya Umoja Complex third floor eyo yarenge Family Bank enkuro eyo ere angene Cooperative Bank asamange bakeresimya sinamba 0741903162 0758066164
inche asamarieta ngoroko Agnes Mora omonyagitari omonene Ostemo Nuga Best nkoira libageri mwensi abagusi kubaligania ase Stemo Nuga Best aiga Stemo Nuga Best etokobwenia ase gotumia chi machine chekerero igo bali mwensi mwachandikira asama rwaire ao twabaliganiri tobae obobwenia bwekerero inchu mwensi togokera obobweni bwaito aiga Stemo Nuga Best biamon
ajirire gocha Stemo Nuga Best abo ase uranyore obokoreri bwigoromono. Gotera chinko chinkureta eryoki gwaitiro ne chingake gutumeka chinko chinyinga asumuriro omusinine boygo byaitiro ne chingake bono Alpha Rice Briquettes na lyuri chiburi ase okoroisia endagera na boygo gwata ase byonzi ni chiamate Alpha Rice na makara a nigo arosirie ne teknolojia yekerero Yuki no nyenerika agotumeka amakemono ninde akoira egeka kujya umuriro ene kebemberi biguridiaye nerigiya amakaraega nigo agokiania kuna chukwimite yeito gose deforestation boigo obuyabono nobo ogokiania gokonyora kwindwali ya kansa Alpha Rice Briquettes na bogutumeka ase chioteri tinyagitari chinka chiskuru na bwigo na bugusamba inyama tutarere asumu chubusungu na bwigo twakere isimi ase namba 0111502030 Alpha Rice Briquettes naye twanchete.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure e company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi meyense liga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boygo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwata chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati bwekarigori lyabantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo gwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie gwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eri bwenyorere abamanyi na bwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chebiasara nchibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene eduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Etwani ya bugire etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzitosomya bamura bakikuya mandegere.
Karibu sana mwanja murire irinde tunyare kugendera ekiro tugende tukwanira guse tugende tukurigiria ngana ya basae na boigo oburai aiga asense ya Kenya. Alex ekiro to ukwanira maria go yobutindi tukwanira mental health ento bwate bono chibese chiga kiro gene chibese na chicha bero mochando metekero omuntu okonyara nga egento kirio gukora at the end of the day egento ganeti kiro kende finances irinde onyare kubeka ebintu byao bia abasaye umete kubarana inde utari kubaro kichinjira cyo kuriye nibo naro irabe busa injira kimogo semani abuna umuntu aranyare kwemenya anyorere nonye ndagira yaye enyorere nonye data ya irindi basoere mitanda anyorere simingia.
Yeah, in our assess seminar cheito, those are the things amba ito kwanira mono sana. Enjero mosayara nyare wetegemea utogoro kunga independence. Assess training cheito ndobwate egento ekoro kunga soft training skills. Tokoreta abo bisabu ba to manyasa amangana ye technology atokwanira before asense moya computer skills abasayengo abare trained ase amangana computer skills yechi eba wasomyugo naki banyana gutumia computer egere kwenyoro mugati obogira lituko buna natna na abo before online nere subjected ne online jobs chikas chiokara na kurwa sim ya kurwa laptop yao. In our sessions tuwate abantu babato manyase sector cha technology mostly ase amana kurukunga online businesses, online writing, affiliate marketing mangana bunayu kereto kwanda mangana affiliate marketing ene njere ya mo sahara ngara okore gasi kurwa sim ya era at the end of the day onyora something which can sustain that person. Igobona mtu atore trainings chiko ba enable ba nyora skills chiganeri. Number 2, we talk about amangana empowerment forums, amangana empowerment osirana to kwa amangana ya projects enchero musara ngara kwa chi project enchira nyara kumakonya. In Kenya one got we have explored many parts chiko engage projects chira nyara ko nyumo sai bona mangana yobotugi chingoko obotugi various birds chinyoni yao abantu engunya bagosobi kuna kibanyara baranyara ko robotugio mostly obotugi chingoko
inko kubaro gusiro kwa finances gose funds gose na awgose miwawoka also as among finances we seek NGOs chanyara ko chirichanyara ko to finance but the first thing utaranda ukaregento you must have those skills chigane iregero ukaregento ekyo and then second to konya egere kwanyara what you need to start egere starting maybe starting capital as a biashara to seek NGOs church on board abo se NGOs ngoko ba link na abantu abegebyo mbebiga marango konyora ngambiri ko senkura sense ya Kenya ngoko nkai mo konyora chi connection each
these NGOs are everywhere you na boko anda se kwa no monta watebi yo maeta matebi and these they are everywhere it's okay you can be linked lakini you can look for them personally because they are accessible. Like there's an NGO in Narok which is very popular. Eyo konya bantu sana mostly these ladies empowers ladies. These NGOs are everywhere. You can go and talk with them. Gose kwenda kwanya wasina the area mpigo semura ndo bwes kama eresera na ki mokrande mintebeno. And then from there, you can link you up with somebody else. Was an NGO? Was a Roman Yanabika? Our correct, our sponsor in this field. And then into ngosira na tori kuba save yombe utokoro kunga savings. You can be saving maybe 5 bob to 10 shillings carry to go. And then we give you a loan usitwa sangeri twako, and then we do it to another person the same way. Ikwana ngosira na ukora se chinjira au echio chiko tokonya ntubuna basai. Yeah.
Lakini nkoranga students abange buna bari chi college mbari kutaka akonaranga mangana ye chama mbari ko taka muono.
Sorry.
Akonaranga students abange usaba sahibi myaka emeke aka mbari kutaka kweswana ne save mbe buna bona ibigabi ye chama ngoko sangirere chipesa mbari kutaka pressure nyingi.
Yeah, about the pressure lakini my advice is that this is the right way to go. Mostly nakina wate biringa abasa yetu taite bintu bire bwangu birio kanyoranga wate eke this is it kwa kare kure ni kwanyora bwangu, which is not the way. Wesko ko bono nawe bero beto wate bago taine bintu mbyanga. You have to do something for you to gain something. Ikobono my advice to them is that nothing comes easy like that. You have to engage yourself somewhere. Yeah, sure.
Mbuya mono sana na ekero bono mukumirana timetinga ekero mukumirana ekero asekero egatie bintu biri buna bone gatutebe for example mubwati meeting rero egatie bintu biri muranyara ko highlight imbere ekagera timoko genda mukwandiro gusangereria yati muroche buna economy yensi ya Kenya gendrete ekogenda muroche buna burayi bure muroche buna abantu bagekiri chi priority nabono kuchakira rero guchibosi ugose inko chichire cha change kogenda na chi situation kose bado no mobegetenga event of virtual aligete event to ko discuss a meeting ya ko cha kose kero to mranire nevi
ndubuna basaye twata mangana bage yo discuss mostly inditore more involved nevi ndo yo kana se government today bono we have a meeting tomorrow kireto go chamu. We don't only talk about maybe wasangelia na whatever. We say we don't only talk about something keliki atoiriro. Ngoko na tere bintu binde which is also ekawa buna part of the agenda. Ngoko na tere na ki na ki serikali ere something like that. Ngoko na tere mangana yo bogambi bo sobora igwense. Ngoko na tere mangana ya economy, all those. In fact, it's a broad forum whereby we address everything. To address everything which is affecting youth, because at the end of the day, over I went to affect we focus on the broader part as a kiregento. Not only mangana ya wasangeri was mangana ya about learning about soft skills. We also talk about overall all those and even what is happening in the community. Something like that.
Na ekero ebyombe biga ukanyorenga kirokenda abantu ngo segment bare totabanya students bare ko se youth bare ase university kwanyoranga rigo bago chorana kirokende bare at the top. Timetinga ase ebyombe biga toteba at the constituency level. Tari aba orokiwa tari youth bonse basoete chiskuru usotete tertiary institutions. Criteria kimokurigirira ndi mwene kingano onyo uri ogokora mujengo musawuri uri okora oboremi uri okora gose no butugi bwe chiombe chingoko bonsi banyare kubekwamo mwarete metu yonsiamo
keto okora obochori in fact obochori bo bonto ko democratic free and fair ntergote bono yo asen enjoy yo no moremi so no mwagachi okay so no monto to get school to beke because araji ko yugo base nincho asekyo yo so metare kiro. We don't do that way. We believe in democracy. Kreto ko robo chori eto ko robo chori na secret ballot na secret ballot
na members all members like konyora members totebe in my constituency ose nyaribari chache kero kine ntubwate forum yega ekero mukobeka abantu abaso ya timu yeino nakimoko banyora nakimoko nyora basaya baiga
Okonyora Basai. Okonyora Basai, what you say team, is doing something called awareness. Eto we around the constituency, to eta matanga, to eta all platforms. To have introduce as a kiombe, to have a kiombe, to have what they can benefit, or everything. Kaya to have a resident to have aware of this thing, and then they do what they join. When there's a registration fee, we can help someone or register. Tokumu register join Ekiombe. That's one way of bringing more people to this association. And then Abasai, they know what is happening. They know what is happening in the country. Now, I think to some extent, what they need. It can benefit you in one way or the other. So we have gained the main people through that, and I think it's a good way, which is not bad.
Mbea temanye tingana ndekira tukira nase amangana yokurobekana na ipo mwedito kuboleanga kiro kinde next year na ndi Abasai bagoja guswachi street kolera gukore anniversary entangani ya bari basirito mwakori nabo igo entangani ya basirito igoro nabo igo ya kabire abo mwakori of which buno gwateba amandamano asensi ya Kenya gutwara peaceful protest tirabengana umuntu teri gento kiri guaranteed. Abasai bono ongoikariririe ekiagira bono geko babuna ne naro twasoka bara toga abande baitu buna chingo ko banyenyu abantu bairana nyomba ne chokoreta matunda
actually
ese giye tapwatie gento ko osekerenge kiga tutawonchorereti onya Abasai mpa wonchorerie njira abakubulia ubrayobia.
Actually for once we need to change the game. To change the game. Bono instead yoko bolia osaba saindi baratige to went to call in the serikali era address issues like this. Because in tuna Basai what again tegere karatu anda chipara kurobekana. Nobura yobobe and onereliane and also those killings inateba. That's egene gege to beka to anda chipara. Bono India ra serikali era achete nenetebe it assures us because at the moment bintu mbire ko addressed wasana ona kiabe karabya bira addressed nabo omura yawo chote noteba ku chakrero maybe extra judicial killings chatenenire and mamute wo muntu nyore kanira sekete aitire bon India ra serikali era atenene tuashwenga these things are not going to happen at all. Instead yoko bole Basai indi tojo tia maandamano India ra serikali rache address ibintu bini because te address then kere gento ke konmeno ko
serikali nabo egoika baraiba nare bamanyanga abo tiga basoke para bakeriogi bakarake bairana nyomba Abasai buno gwate bago change of tactic njirate indite yo Abasai baranyare kurigereria amangana ye atimaitinga engaki kosekera gukwana bono bochori kero kene nabo barale mere bate basimya kebere tatere bosio tiatore mereri engaki obochori nkike uchi gyakorekana yeta ntoko gania amangana muna ye gakore ruchinga kechiga kewika after obochori tutewe mwaka buna 2028 bono nande bada bantu bachigotwara the same things bakorera
as long as obora iboro bobe. As long as Craig Kwanda in the right way, I want to assure you Abasai will still be on touch with the government. Because in Toko Ikaransa, Tori what is happening. Of course, Umra ina wate weakness.
Nabo abantu bakorera boniga Abasai barere bagenda bande baitu nabange batindikira chinga kechiga. Nande bawika se ballot, bairore the same mistake you yagerere tori in such a situation.
For once in this in this country, abantu bari are what they need. I can assure you that one. Bono iga tuamanyire kungendere ningi. Bono iga omosae omanyire what leadership is. And that is what you want. No nye not even at that time ya wachorikiwe. Wande bwenzi ora chikungendere team I will say that one will be a good game for that person because ntubondo amaire what we want.
Ukungenereria siasa gose.
Kungenereria siasa.
Lakini chi campaign gose they can say anything.
They can say
anything. Keriba maita pa Kenya baguchingira.
Bono kero chikotebege ntasi chi campaign make sure kwa ekolire. Because we have learned a lesson. We have learned a lesson what is happening right now. Whatever you got work correct. Whatever you work correct. What we have learned a lesson. And whatever once beaten, twice shy. Yeah. So going on forward. For once we have realized what we want as a country. For once in ages we have realized what we want as a country, and anybody who is willing to think he can use us in any way possible for him to gain and us to lose, then the game has changed. Yeah, the game has changed at all.
Yeah, do you feel like abasa bali otenete usekere kendo go interact na barabo bonsi mbare ejenu ni senga ne yayo chikora to burayo buya ane mono ikiro bago tebanga we are going to vote in the right person.
But thing whatever there's never 100% in that. One chirani wa chibalimo chirani watabanda wa there's never been 100% perfection. Mbare bali bake baroba whatever into totigane to separate korwase ntekyo. And then the majority of us, the majority is with one purpose, was one thing. Like I can't guarantee you nga twenty pinga twanjira ni renga this is the right way. No, mbare lazima mbare bali bake bare on their way. Maybe to some extent they are not with us at all. So there's no guarantee we are 100% fully. No. To the percentage, lakini we are what? The majority.
Mbiya na sana timetinga wikirabo ukose nkobwatande kwarenge kommente kyagere timu yao. Actually opponent osabu mwancho murigiria maviri kyagera nkobwate timu kwabonete coach.
Na bwate timu ya ne korwa kitu cha Senate constituency. Na bwate Ruben Makana yule chairman ya KCN, na bwate Wycliffe Angwenyi yule secretary koru KCN Student Association. Twarengo cha barabuga lakini maybe in one way or the other.
Baro bekana.
Yeah, tari baro bekana lakini because of so many reasons.
Na bukonya romo ntonga na ubari ngikuruta chiti agasi goro se bale wakana chingundi na bayanyi.
Ndio wakana ngundi tore very peaceful. Kereto ara chingundi cha chakire to kwe.
Kwanira kyagira uko ikagali kwanyoranga no nyomo ntori mwarenge kombonere bono kare karate na abanyanyimbo.
Okay, nchoma nyane no nyigoro kero chikwere ne chitiaga cha chagite. General setu asenga njo I know what it means to protest. It's supposed to be peaceful. Kile ndo kyaba in the organized. Ije rusetio. Lakini no nyabara burende no twarenga na baro twarusetio twensi. So mbanya letu kaga because of one reason or the other. Lakini asabire ndo kwa vera sayo and maybe some other time ndo chinga kina to chega. So
Mbiya mono timetinga kurwa nande asa abantu ba kirokende kitutu cha chano tafasaye kwa batenga nende ase chita kebere no pokuba no nyamaiga
abasaye bonse ba kitutu cha chano constituency bantu amarani Manyero Sensi
lakini marani mubwate fikona Epicone mbiraroro.
Yes. Marani is a very peaceful place.
Ndio zitokora kuri Marani. Temo kwandera basaye kirokende same yake go change tano iga ntonyora the same stories.
Marani we are good people. We are very good people.
Muraba ntabaya. Lakini chi story nchiro chiko cha kurwa chire unique kuri watebe ne ya Marani. Yes. Ego kona na basaye bueno elinde mole kinga asemi yake mekero bosio afasa baga kero kende kero bachire ko babuna na bwaba iboli basabaje ko babuna na bwaba ntaba tingwa se ensemo ya Marani etukinga chi story unechinjire ko rwaro
ningo berana ndo jumbe yo batebenga baba bantaba ya lakini bantaba ya
bali bantu babe
baba bantaba ya mono so nko nari wanje ko bariga ni mambi ase functionero ali Marani Girls St Monica Marani Girls to what the function ya ko youth summit na comrades current association tukumira na harima function
comrades igo bare aborokiwa
ebare kitu cha not students and also youths yaso bwamo
igo ne okumira na kwa basaye
ntutware training ya soft skills ya computer ekoretu na Brighter Monday company ntutware sessions chingia entertainment
nechi company chira ena nembere moja se abantu abaiga
any company iko na skills cha kuna computer skills motivational talk kurende emotional intelligence something like mental health ekwana na eko mafundisho ya ebintu bini ebyo
yes
iko bono mambi moja so bonge otokaro kabisa from 9 am
abu bataria wakitutu china timba wikaro
bono by your own will you can just be there lakini we majorly welcome all from Kinshasa to lakini na kore gunga noiko Arima and girls you are very much welcomed yeah so na kirembia mono sana ase kongaliganiga and I'm very much blessed to be here bona igo na bakirembia mono mutegereri na na youth bonsi moche asobonge agatusangamo byamono sana
timetindi murakoro kurobekana lakini next time I hope banyege ko peaceful gose abantu apomoikira nigo ari akirate mugoso achifara moche kokora kurobekana naindi mancho murigereria abo noturachi gukorera umuroberio welituko olia rero umuroberio yetu abere etokurigereria amangana yabasai alio siakorekanete igoro ne bintu binde vinge kuruko Matilda Obaiwa na bonsi bali banekia kwanyorera iga asinchira ingikirano na bairanirie mbia mono naye asinchira yabene kenda kubwatia emiroberi ya Gatembe TV una alituko ligendete kusuka
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege
Superstore